Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video we're going to discuss function that returns a value. So here is my function that is called add, and this function is going to have the public static int. So it means that the output of this function is not a void anymore, it's an integer. So there is an output for this function. When we are having the void before the name of the function, like here, it means that this function is not going to return anything in the output, but it is going to basically execute certain block of code. But here it means that this function has an output that is of integer type. This function add requires two parameters, a and b. Both of them are integer data type as well. Basically, whenever this function is called, it is going to print this for us in the output. It is going to basically not to print but to return a plus b. It is going to calculate the addition of a and b in the output. Okay, so now in the main function here, I have the call of the function add with the numbers 5 and 3, and the output of this function is going to be assigned to a variable that is called a result, which is of int or integer data type, meaning that this function is called, it is going to return the output, and the output of this function is assigned to this variable. Okay, and then we are going to print the result variable. So this is why when I run the code, the function is going to calculate 5 plus 3, which is 8, and we are having 8 in the output. So if I have another variable that is result2, for example, and I am going to add instead, now I'm going to add 10 and 12, for example. Okay, and then I'm going to have system.out.println the result2. I want to be printed in the output. So when I run the code, we see number 22 is being printed in the terminal, meaning that I called this function twice because I wanted to perform a repetitive task and with different parameters. This time I'm passing number 10 and 12 as a and b, and this function add is called. So on the right hand side, this call of the function is called. This function is going to execute a plus b, which is number 22. So the right hand side is 22 now. It is assigned to a variable result2 of integer data type, and here I'm going to print a result2 in the output. Thank you for watching.